Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how we can create the distressed text effect in Photoshop. Open up your Photoshop project. Now using the text tool, type in what you want. Once you are done adjusting your text, go to the text layer in the layer panel and right-click on it. Then convert it to Smart Object. Now go to the filter option, and in the blur gallery, select Field Blur. Now adjust the points and intensity of the blur according to your liking. After you are done, click on OK. When the blur is applied, go to the layer panel and select both the background layer and the text layer and convert them to Smart Object. Now, go again to the filter option and go to the filter gallery. Now, a pop-up window will come. Go to the texture library and choose the grain filter. Make sure the grain type is set to vertical. Adjust the intensity and contrast according to your liking, and then click on OK. Now you can see you have distressed text. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.